finally, let us begin with the video. Question number 2 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry says find the coordinates of points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1 and -2, -3. So here we have to find out the coordinates of a points of a trisection. What do you mean by a trisection? Trisection means dividing a line in 3 equal parts. So for example, you consider a line segment joining 2 points A and B. So we have to find out the coordinates of points of trisection. Trisection means we have to divide this line segment into 3 equal parts. So that is done by using 2 points. So by using 2 points P and Q, we can divide this line segment in 3 equal parts. Right, so we have to find out here the coordinates of point P, x, y and coordinates of point Q, as point A and point B is given here as 4, -1 and -2, -3. So this question is very much important, guys. So try to understand this question very well, as it is a very important question. So since they have said us that it is a trisection, that means all the 3 sections are equal. That is, AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. All the 3 sections are equal here. So first of all, let us write down, let point A given as 4, -1 and point B given as -2, -3 be the points joining the line segment, and let us assume and let point P and Q be the points of trisection. So then we can write that AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB. And also, since a trisection is mentioned here, these 3 sections will be in an equal ratio of 1:1:1. So this is the least possible equal ratio that we can assume. We can also take 2:2:2 or 6:6:6, anything, but all the 3 sections should be equal. But at the end, when you consider these 2 ratios, these will cancel out. When we take common, at the end 1:1:1 will be left behind. So always remember, whenever there is a trisection word coming into picture, we have to assume the ratios to be 1:1:1. Here they have given us trisection. If there are 4 sections, then you have to assume another section that will be 1:1:1. So now here we will find out the coordinates of this point P and Q by applying the section formula, which is given by m1x2 plus m2x1 divided by m1 plus m2, and the y coordinate part is m1y2 plus m2y1 divided by m1 plus m2. So this is our section formula. Now let us consider case 1. In case 1, let us assume the point P and the line segment AB. So in case 1, let us consider the first point, that is point P and the line segment AB. So this is a line segment AB, and let P be a point here. Now the distance from the point A to point P is how much? It is 1. And the distance between point P to point B is how much? 1 plus 1, it is 2 units, right? So this point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:2. So write down, point P divides AB internally in the ratio 1:2. Therefore, the coordinates of point P, x, y will be equal to, here since the ratio is 1:2, then m1 value will be 1 and m2 will be equal to 2. And we will assume here point A given by 4, -1 to be x1, y1, and point B given as -2, -3, the coordinates, let this be x2, y. So applying the section formula here, m1 is how much? 1 into x2 is -2 plus m2 is 2 into x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. Similarly, the y coordinate, m1 value is 1 into y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 2 into y1 is minus 1 divided by again m1 plus m2, that is 1 plus 2. So we will get here, simplifying further, 1 into minus 2 is minus 2 plus 2 into 4 is 8 plus 8 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. Again 1 into minus 3 is minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 divided by 1 plus 2 is 3 again. So this will be equal to, what is minus 2 plus 8? We have to subtract here with a greater number sign. So 8 minus 2 is 6. So we will get plus 6 by 3, and minus 3 and minus 2 will be minus 5. We are adding with a minus sign. Minus 5 by 3. Here we can observe that we can cancel the x coordinate, that is 3 one times, 3 2 times. Here it is not possible to cancel. So therefore the coordinate of point P x comma y is given as 2 comma minus 5 by 3. We got the point P coordinate. Now similarly, let us take case 2 and find out the coordinate Q values. So again let us consider the line segment AB with point A whose coordinates are given as 4 comma minus 1 and point B minus 2 minus 3. Now where is the point Q? The point Q is here, whose coordinates has to be found out. What is the distance between point A to point Q? It is 1 plus 1, that is 2 units. And from point Q to point B it is 1. So we will take 1. So this point Q divides the line AB in the ratio 2:1. So therefore write down point Q divides AB internally in the ratio 2:1. Therefore here m1 value is equal to 2 and m2 value will be equal to 1. So now let us find out the coordinates of point Q x comma y by applying the section formula. Again here point A will be x1 y1 and point B will be x2 y2. Right, so applying the section formula, what is m1 value? m1 is 2 into x2 is minus 2 plus m2 is 1 into x1 is 4 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Then the x coordinate part will be m1 into y2. Here m1 value is 2 into y2 is minus 3 plus m2 is 1 into y1 is minus 1 divided by m1 plus m2, that is 2 plus 1. Right, so this will be 2 into minus 2 is minus 4 plus 1 into 4 is 4 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 into minus 3 is minus 6 plus 1 into minus 1 will be minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1 is 3. So this will be equal to, what is minus 4 and plus 4? This will become 0 divided by 3. So anything divided by 0 will be 0, comma. So here we have to add with a minus sign. So minus 7 by 3. So this is the Q coordinate, that is x comma y, where x value is 0 and y value is minus 7 by 3. So we found out the P point coordinates and Q coordinates. So therefore you can write down, therefore the coordinates of points of trisection are 2 comma minus 5 by 3 and 0 comma minus 7 by 3. Right, so this is the answer. So this is a very important problem. Practice this problem, and if you have any further doubts you can comment me below in the comment section. In my next video, I'll be solving question number 3 from exercise 7.2 chapter 7 coordinate geometry. So till then, do like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button below to get the latest updates of my videos, as I'll be completing the whole syllabus for class 10th SLC and SORT math. And also do watch the related videos of chapter 7 coordinate geometry shown on the screen. Thank you.